Experiencing voicemail problems on your Metro by T-Mobile phone? You're not alone. Common issues include voicemail not working, setup failures, and missed notifications. These problems often arise from app glitches, incorrect network settings, or device incompatibility. First, ensure you have the latest version of the T-Mobile Visual Voicemail app. This is crucial since Metro customers now primarily use visual voicemail. Make sure your device meets the minimum requirements, which are Android 10 Plus and iOS 14 Plus. Many issues can be resolved by simply updating the app or your phone's operating system. Also, confirm you have a stable network connection, especially if you are in a rural area. For initial setup problems, make sure your Metro SIM is properly activated and detected by the app. If problems persist, move on to the next section for deeper troubleshooting steps. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Metro by T-Mobile voicemail issues, try these advanced fixes, starting with resetting your voicemail. Begin by clearing the cache and data of the visual voicemail app in your phone's settings. This removes temporary files that might cause glitches. If clearing the app data doesn't work, reset your phone's network settings to refresh connections. For notification problems, ensure push notifications are enabled both in the visual voicemail app and in your phone's notification center. Silent mode or do not disturb can block voicemail alerts, so verify these settings are not interfering. If notifications still fail, try resetting app permissions for the visual voicemail app in your Android or iOS settings. A common fix is toggling airplane mode on and off to reset the connection with the network. If all else fails, contact T-Mobile support for a back-end reset of your voicemail service. Avoid a full factory reset unless specifically advised by support, as it erases all your customizations. Remember, proactive app updates and checking for T-Mobile coverage in your area are essential for a reliable voicemail experience.